a tutorial here for you on how to do the netted imprint and how to do it on top of glitter. Hi, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome and welcome. Please tap that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell as well so you get a notification every time I drop something new. So we're going to do a netted nail and we're going to use glitter. So I've done a base of Eve, which is shards of iridescent, and then to do the netted imprint I'm doing it into clear on top, a bead of clear. This bead of clear I would do as the apex and structure. It would be like finishing the nail, which is why I'm doing it in one bead so it all sets at the same time. So once I've got the coverage that I want, I'm going to let that set up until it's just at the right time, just as it starts to go matte. That's when I'm going to go into my clear powder. That will help it to not stick. And then I'm going to gently lay it across the top, get the right placement before I then firmly press it down into the acrylic. I'm going to press down as equal as I can all the way around it, all the way down the sides. And then very gently peeling from one side and the other side, gently tugging from either side to start releasing it from the acrylic. And keep peeling until it's all come away. Right, so now for filling in the colour, I'm just doing it in black just to do the video, really, just so, because it has the most clarity. It's what will show up best on camera. You can do whatever you want at this stage. You can overlap colours, make it like a rainbow effect, do an ombre of colours, whatever you want. Just however you do it, make sure when you are using the beads that you are using them quite wet. So you can, it's wet enough to be able to just sink in between where the imprint is, so then the colour's like going all the way down to the bottom rather than just like painting the surface of it. You want to make sure that you get enough colour down into the imprint so that when you file it away and you're filing in the shape and the structure, that you are not just going to file off the black or whatever colour you use and it to be gone. Then I use my e-file to go over and tidy it up, take away the bulk bits, and then I always use my hand file to refine. Getting there with that top coat. God, I love this flipping glitter. It's the pre-made glitter acrylic mix. Eve is just beautiful. See, like gold colours this way, and then in the picture next you'll see it from the other, the unicorn colours. Yay! You know me and unicorn colours, you know how it go. Right, so as always, thank you for joining me. Stay Slayin, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.